Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Tech PBA. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to download and install the Canon IR 2425i printer drivers. So to start with, I went into Google and then searched for Canon IR 2425i, the drivers. Then I pressed enter, and then I selected the link for my region. I'm in Africa, Ghana to be precise. So I selected the Central and North Africa. Right clicked on it, selected open a new tab, and then I scrolled under drivers. I scrolled down. You can see that it's detected my operating system automatically, and then we are downloading for the PCL version. So I scroll down, or I'll scroll down and then click on the download button. I'll click on download again to kickstart the download process, the downloading of the drivers. So as you can see, the drivers are downloading on the far right hand corner. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and then extract the files. Since it comes in a zipped file, so I went ahead and extracted the files. You can see the 32-bit folder and then the 64-bit folder. Well, since my version is 64-bit, I will open the 64-bit folder, run the setup file by double clicking on it, and then you can leave the default as it's already taking the operating system's language settings. I will click next, click yes to accept, and then I will leave the default by selecting the standard, and then I'll select the checkbox reactivate printers in the sleep mode, and then I'll click next. I'll go ahead and then select the Canon driver information assist service checkbox over here, and then I'll click next again. I'll click on the yes to create a firewall exception for this particular software, so that it will not be blocked anytime it's being run. So I'll click next, and then the first thing will be to it will search for the printer over the network. And then as you can see, it found it. That's the printer model number, the IP address, and then I'll click next. So that's the printer, the model number, the name, the IP address, and then I'll click start for the installation to begin. As you can see, once the installation begins, it will first of all register the printer on your system, and then it will install the. I'll leave that checkbox which says restart my computer now. I'll leave it and then click on the close button. And now we can go ahead and then test prints to that printer, or to the printer, the Canon printer we just installed its software. I'll search for control panel, clicked on control panel, and then I'll go into the view devices and printers. And now in the view devices and printers, I'll right click on the printer and select printer properties. From there, I'll click on but first let me do a test to see if the printer is online. And as you can see, I did a test by pinging the IP address of the printer. We are getting results, positive results. So I'll go ahead and then click on the print test page, and then it says test page has been sent to the printer. I'll close it up, and then let's look at it. It says 0 documents pending, which means the printer has printed out the test page. So yes guys, this has been a quick tutorial on how to install the Canon IR 2425 printer drivers. Please kindly click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, turn on notification, and I will see you in another video. Bye.